he'd have given in their young.
Den hiker med fikerhänder. Jag tänkte oss. May I tell you something? I have had a dream. I dreamed of a stranger. He was a man, but he had no face. None that I could not see. There was snow on the ground, and he was walking towards me. His footsteps made no sound. His arms were outstretched, and in one hand he carried a ball of flaming